Welcome back to Moving with Meaning, the podcast.
In today's episode, let's put our minds at ease by tuning out the noise in this overstimulated world.
I'm a hypnotherapist, and this work that we do in therapeutic hypnosis is having you heal on purpose. It's not that we're doing anything that you're not doing already, because a lot of the issues people come to see me for, it's that they've hypnotized themselves already. Well, maybe the safest thing, the best thing you could have done as a child to keep you safe and protected was to hide and keep yourself small. And so you learn to keep yourself safe, to keep yourself small. Okay, well, that was a great instruction to have as a child, but that doesn't work anymore when you're an adult. It's really just about your intention. What is it you want? You can have all the joy, all the happiness, all the confidence, all the feelings of success and gratitude that you want, but it does come with some practice. Like anything, just because you remove the hurt and pain doesn't automatically think you're full of joy and happiness. Maybe you will be, but if not, well, you can practice that.
I'm Crystal on Moving with Meaning, the podcast. Check y'all later.